And gentlemen, is your boy Keno. Guys, like you all know, I have these two special persons with me. They are great men. They are athletes, right?
Yes, we are.
And they are professionals. So I'm opportune to meet them today. So I'll be teaching them how to speak Igbo language, the dialect from Nigeria. So are you guys ready?
Yes, Nigerian.
And they will also teach me. Do you understand? So we're gonna do that.
Okay.
So first and foremost, I would like you guys to introduce yourself. Your name
My name is Ishai.
and you.
My name is Idan. I'm from Israel. My age is 24.
And he's single.
No, I'm not single.
What?
No, now I'm single.
Now I'm
but
single
when
for today.
I'm back, I'm going back to Israel. I'm not
In
single.
Denver, he's single.
I'm
Oh,
single.
so where you from?
We're from Israel, yeah.
Oh, Israel. Okay. So they are from Israel and they are here in Denver, Colorado. Guys, are you happy to meet them? Yes, we are happy to meet them. So, what do you guys come to Colorado to do?
We have a rugby tournament.
Yeah, I'm also.
We play rugby for the Heat Rugby. We have players from all around the world. So yeah, that's it, basically.
So these are rugby professionals, guys. They are here in Colorado to compete for a tournament, right?
Yeah.
You guys are here for a tournament. Okay, so I'll be teaching them Igbo and they will teach me the Israeli language as well.
You teach us Nigerian, we teach you Hebrew.
Yeah, okay, they will teach me Hebrew, guys. So stay tuned. So right now we're gonna start with the basic part of the Igbo language. So when you say kedu,
Kedo.
kedu means
Hello.
how are you or hello. Yeah, like hello. Yeah.
We teach you now in
Okay.
Hebrew.
Yeah. So what do you say?
If Kedo, it's how are you? In Hebrew, it's Mashlomcha.
Mashnomka.
Mashlomcha.
Mashnomka.
Yes, Mashlomcha. Mashlomcha.
מה שלומך? הכל
בסדר.
בסדר.
Guys, how are you? Okay. That's cool. Okay, then when you say ndewo, ndewo.
Ndeo.
Indewo.
Good, good. They're trying it. Guys, they're doing it. So ndewo means greetings.
Greetings.
It's the same greeting. Like you said, how are you? Are you doing okay? Are you guys good? You know. So what do you say in Hebrew?
מה קורה?
Makore?
Yes, מה קורה?
Okay, guys, this is makore.
Makore.
Okay, nice. You say ututu oma.
Tutu Oma.
עומר. יטוטו עומר.
Ututu oma means good morning
Tutu Oma.
in Igbo language. So what do you say good morning in Hebrew?
בוקר טוב.
Say that again.
You say בוקר טוב.
Boki tov.
בוקר טוב.
Boki tov.
Yes.
Okay.
בוקר טוב.
Okay, guys. They say Boki tov. That is good morning in Hebrew language. That is beautiful. Now, when you say kedu kaimere,
כדו קאימרה.
כדו קיימרה.
kedu kaimere means how are you doing?
כדו קאימרה.
Yeah.